Hey folks, how are we all doing? Well, I presume some of you would have been away on your holidays already. Lucky buggers. Anyway, we're going to be looking, as usual, at quite a few things today. One of the things is comparing the last couple of weeks, because it's obviously been hot, and with a bit of water, things like the tomatoes have shot up in a couple of weeks, so we'll be comparing like for like there. We'll be taking the glass top off one of the cold frames so we can start getting more in there in that area. We're going to be moving the potatoes from up by the cold frame down to the side of the house in the bags, and we had a fantastic little visitor in the lean-to shed that we can show you. And as you can see, my potatoes are coming on. I'm going to move them down into this bit along here. I'm going to probably build up some more soil around them first, and then I'm going to move them. They're going to be quite heavy, down to that wall. In fact, to save my back, I'll move them down first, then I'll top up with soil. Oh, my foot went. When I put these in, if you remember back in an early video, all this was wild mint and weeds around here. Obviously I dug all this out and lined it, which is fine, but the small gap between where I've put the raised bed and where I've put the walkway is like that, without any lining, about that much, and all the mint's coming through that tiny gap already all the way along. Smells good though. It's nice seeing the warmth, or continued warmth, giving a boost to everything in the garden. And as you can see, our tomato plants have gone from this to this. So the next challenge is to find out where you're going to put them all. Just as an update on the cuttings, you can see here that 1, 2, 3, there's 2 in there, 4, 5, 6, 7, none of them have taken, which is what I expected because they started to rot early. But in contrast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of my rosemary cuttings have taken. So that's a little bonus, a little lift after the bad news of the blueberries. So I'll have to try and read up and understand what I did wrong and hopefully rectify it next time. Right, got some more weeds for the fertiliser barrel. Oh, that stinks. Fertiliser barrel. Some dandelions. Oh dear, that is really strong. Look at this beauty. He's a bit dusty. I just found him in the lean-to around the back of a pot. So I go and release him up where all the wood pile is, and hopefully he'll have a decent life. I don't know if it's focusing or not, I haven't got my glasses. But from one thing to another, look at that mess, it reeks. We kept, oh dear, I've got a we kept a couple of squash in the cellar. 2 are fine, this one decided to rot down quick. Look at that liquid, that would be good for fertiliser. So now the potting has moved on, the seedlings are getting bigger, etc. I've planted some out, as you can see, got the carrots and the onions out there. The cabbages are in here, but they're getting a bit big for this cold frame now, as are the cosmos in there. So I'm going to now take these off, they've done their job. Well, at least this one. I'll keep that one in case I have to resow anything. So I'm going to take this one off, and then I'm going to have to weed or hoe all this area here and then start planting out. Forgotten how heavy these are. So now I've got to store this away somewhere until next year. As you can see, the cabbages are coming on. Got some carrots in, potted up some other carrots. Still got some tomatoes I've got to pot on, and some sweet peas I've got to move out into the garden somewhere. And the cosmos. I've got my beans coming up and my squash coming up. My squash going to go in there. Got marigolds to go out, strawberries to go out. Never ending, isn't it? Well, as ever, thanks for being with us. Please like, share, follow, do all that stuff. It does help. And as we always say, do what makes you happy. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.